In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through HubSpot's user guide efficiently, focusing specifically on accessing crucial elements like LIO and product updates. Understanding how to find these sections quickly can really streamline your workflow, especially if you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher. Let's start by heading over to the user guide on HubSpot. To do this, open your browser and type in the URL for HubSpot. Once you're there, look for the user guide option. Typically, this will be accessible through the main menu, often labeled or categorized in a way that highlights its role as a help center or knowledge base. Click on User Guide to enter the section where you can explore the various elements HubSpot has to offer. Once you've accessed the user guide, your next step is to click on LIO. The LIO, or Latest Insights and Opportunities section, is designed to give you the most relevant and recent information that can help optimize your use of HubSpot. It serves as an incredibly beneficial tool if you're looking to make the most out of the platform, as it keeps you up to date with the best practices and trends. So, to find it, simply navigate through the guide until you see LIO listed. It might be available as a direct link or as part of a drop-down menu, depending on how personalized your interface is, making it easier to access the information tailored to your needs. After you've explored the LIO section, let's move over to Product Updates. Keeping up with product updates is crucial because it ensures that you're leveraging all the new features and improvements that HubSpot rolls out. These updates can include anything from interface tweaks to entirely new functionalities. Finding this section should be similarly straightforward. It is usually prominently displayed due to its importance, so look for a tab or link that says Product Updates within the user guide. Once you click on that, you'll have access to detailed release notes, information on newly added features, and any bug fixes or changes that have occurred. Navigating these sections not only empowers you with knowledge, but also enhances your ability to use HubSpot to its fullest potential. So, whether you're a seasoned user or just starting, knowing where to find and how to utilize these parts of HubSpot can significantly improve your experience. Remember, staying informed and current helps keep your business or projects robust and adaptable to change. With these steps, you're now well equipped to explore HubSpot's user guide, LIO, and product updates effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out other guides and tips that can further enhance your proficiency with HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.